Hi, I'm Alex, a 27-year-old businessman. I'm passionate about what I do and deeply in love with my girlfriend.
Hi, I'm Jenny, a 25-year-old tech architect. I'm passionate about technology, and I love my boyfriend deeply.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create realistic AI avatars and text-to-speech videos using a powerful online tool called DupDub. And the best part is, you don't need any video editing skills or professional setup to do it. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, educator, or just someone curious about AI tools, this platform is super easy to use and gives professional quality results. The link is available in the description below, so let's jump right in and I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, go to website and create your free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a clean, modern dashboard where all of DupDub's features are neatly organized. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, so everything is just a click away. You'll see a range of powerful tools such as AI avatar, single and double person, AI voiceover, text-to-speech, instant avatar cloning, instant voice cloning, video translation, AI transcription, AI writing, AI image generator, and much more. And if you're unsure where to begin, scroll down a little and you'll find built-in tutorials and sample avatars to help you get started quickly. Let's begin by exploring DupDub's most exciting feature, the AI avatar tool. You can use either a single person image or a double person image to create avatars that speak naturally using your script. I'm going to select a double person avatar example from the template gallery. Once you choose an image, you'll need to enter separate dialogues for both characters. For example, character 1, man, character 2, woman. After that, it's time to select the voice for each character. DupDub allows you to filter voices by language, gender, age group, and quality. For the most lifelike sound, I recommend selecting the Ultra Quality filter. This gives you premium, human-like voiceovers that are almost indistinguishable from real speech.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young
Once upon a time in a small village.
Once upon a time in a small
Once you're happy with the voices, click on Generate Talking Avatar. And the platform will start processing the video. It usually takes less than a minute. When it's ready, you'll get a downloadable talking avatar video with both characters interacting.
Hi, I'm Alex, a 27-year-old businessman. I'm passionate about what I do and deeply in love with my girlfriend.
Hi, I'm Jenny, a 25-year-old tech architect. I'm passionate about technology, and I love my boyfriend deeply.
Perfect for social media content, explainer videos, and even educational dialogues. Now let's try the single person avatar feature using a custom image. Upload your own portrait, make sure it's well lit and front facing for best results. Then paste the script you want the avatar to speak. You can fine-tune your avatar by cropping the image, changing the background, or even replacing the photo. Choose a voice that matches your personality or target audience.
It's my 18th birthday and I have to see those floating lanterns.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Now close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine that you are...
This time, I'll select a different voice just to show variety. Click Generate, and in a few seconds, your personalized talking avatar will be ready.
Scientists have noticed that the average temperature of our planet has been slowly increasing, especially over the last 100 years. This is mostly due to human activities. Now, you might...
The result looks professional and highly realistic, a great option for faceless content creators, customer support videos, and even virtual instructors. Next, let's move on to the AI voiceover feature, which is ideal if you just need voice narration without the avatar. Click on the text-to-speech tab. All you have to do is type in or paste your topics. For example, I'll use marketing pitch for a new product. DupDub's AI will instantly generate a relevant script for you. If you're not fully satisfied, you can ask it to rewrite, continue, Make it longer, shorter, more formal, or even more casual. It's completely flexible. After finalizing your script, you can choose from a wide variety of realistic AI voices.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Again, I suggest going with an ultra voice for better clarity and emotion.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. However, could you please provide more details about the product or service you want the marketing pitch for? This will help me tailor the pitch to your needs.
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
However, could you please provide more details about the product or service you want the marketing pitch for?
This is perfect for YouTube narration, Instagram Reels, ads, product videos, and more. Lastly, let's explore DupDub's AI transcription feature. This tool lets you upload any audio or video file and converts the spoken content into editable text. Upload your file, I'm using one of my older videos, and choose the transcription language. You can also let the system auto-detect the language. Once done, click Transcribe. DubDub will analyze the file and display the full transcript in just a few moments. You can copy it, export it, or use it as subtitles, captions, blog articles, or documentation. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly helpful for repurposing your content. To sum it up, DubDub gives you professional tools that are easy enough for beginners to master. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.